thinking last night? You pushed me into it. You know I don't fancy girls. I'm not like you. I'm not gay. Well, you told me I was so different. You kissed me back. For like 5 seconds. Long enough. Long enough to know you liked it. Kissing you was a mistake. A massive one. Right back at you. And I'm not losing my relationship because of it. I don't want to lose mine either. Great, so something we agree on. I love my girlfriend, like, crazy. I'm engaged to Shaq. Right, so for both our sakes, last night never happened. Thought I'd pull a sickie and help you out.
Jules, no, you can't get in trouble because of me. You've already done enough, what, with the candles, the music.
Ah, someone's got a guilty conscience, eh?
Milk it for all it's worth.
Well, that's not what this is. I'm just trying to make Pez less stressed.
Oh.
We're getting married. And I know 100% there is no one else I'd rather be with than you.
I'm right back at you. Whatever happens in the exam, I'll be waiting right outside.
Promise you won't leave me, even if I mess it up.
Peri, I said I'll be there. What else do you want me to do?
When this is over, we can go back to normal, have some fun. Maybe even start planning the wedding, if you still want to.
That's all I want. Dear, that kiss. Oh, you have done that with girls before, right? So, what? Was it just some kind of experiment?
No. I don't know what that was.
If you're gay or bi, just tell them.
I'm not. I'm...
What? What do you want?
Leave it, please.
Oh, you've got to go. Is Peri? Peri's gorgeous and smart, and she actually loves me. Can you believe it? And I've never actually had that from anyone before. But now, every time I look at her, all I can think about is you. And that kiss. From now on, we don't speak. We don't meet up. Nothing. Or else I'll lose Peri. And I can't do that. I love you. Pez, you're the person that I want to be with, and that's the honest truth.
Peri is so lucky to have you.
No. I'm the lucky one. She's my soulmate. And I can't wait to marry her.
I don't think I trust you.
What do you mean?
I've been going through your phone behind your back. Trust can be built. Love can be built. Nothing's guaranteed, but when you kiss, the way you feel when you're alone, only you can decide if it's worth it. Of course it's worth it. I love you.
Peri's the girl I came out for. She gave me the strength to accept who I am, and I'll always love her for that. That was a long time ago, and you can't force an attraction to somebody just because they're kind to you.
That's not why I'm marrying Shaq.
No, you're marrying Shaq for the same reason I'm marrying Peri, because you think it's the right thing to do. But it doesn't feel that way, does it?
I don't know how to make this any clearer. One kiss does not mean I'm flying the rainbow flag. I'm not.
It's up to you, Nadira. I would leave Peri tomorrow if it meant I had a chance with you.
I came over here wearing my wedding ring because I wanted you to see my commitment. I'm marrying Shaq. This is happening. This is real. And you and me, we're not...
Don't dare say we're not real.
We're done.
You don't sound convinced. You don't get to walk away until I've said my piece.
Where are you going?
Just give me 2 minutes and don't go. You owe me that. It's one of Marnie's old couture gowns. We had to sell most of her stuff when James lost all that money, but I kept this.
Jules, what are you doing? Dear.
He knows what he saw.
I'm not... It was her. She kissed me. She's obsessed with me.
What?
Jules is right. I know what I saw.